everyone, in today's tutorial, let me show you how to turn off data saver mode in Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Then here, scroll down and tap Notification and Status bar. Next, tap on the status bar. And here, scroll down until you see a data saving. Toggle the switch off to disable data saver mode. And this data saver mode, when it's on, apps running in the background won't be able to use mobile data freely. This helps reduce data usage but may delay notifications, updates, and media loading. Turning it off allows apps to use data anytime, ensuring smoother and real-time app performance. And that's it. You've just successfully turned off data saver mode on your Android phone. Now your apps will stay updated and connected without restrictions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.